Hey, welcome back. Just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. I just got back from playing some tennis outside, so sorry if my cheeks are rosy. It's beautiful here. So if it's nice where you guys are at, strongly recommend getting outside. It was super nice. But yeah, just a quick video. So here's the Bitcoin chart. This is going to be more technical analysis. So right now I have the Fibonacci retracement, which I love tool. From this low where it took a big run up to this high, and it's showing, we have the 21 EMA here too, but it is kind of honoring this 0.618 at 83,000. So it's kind of double resistance there with an EMA and the 0.618. Above that you would have around 88,000, and then from there, back up around maybe in this area we might find some resistance, but those are the areas I'm looking at. So it's kind of rejecting that and holding that as resistance. So that's Bitcoin. Let's look at XRP. So XRP hasn't reached its rejection zone. So this is from this high to this low. You got the EMA right here that it's kind of bouncing off close to. It hasn't broken that, so it's still going down. And if you guys don't know, this is the big move right here. This big candle is from yesterday of the tariffs, from President Trump saying the tariffs are all but on China basically are all just staying at 10%, and there's like a 90-day pause, except for China. So it seems kind of like we're in a trade war more with China right now. So that's fun. But yeah, so it's kind of holding true to this downward line. Especially this trend line, this blue trend line right here. It hasn't really broken, and it might find support back down here at the 166-ish area, or if we break, you could fall down here. There'd be support around the 150 and down to even the 128, 27. There's some might pick up some support, but there's not a whole lot, so kind of we'll see. But it's kind of following Bitcoin right now, but if we here, so this is the downward chart. If we do, let's get rid of that real quick. If we do, though, from this move up, honestly, from this move right here where it kind of picked up, this pivot to this is where it's rejecting. So it's kind of mirrors Bitcoin's. So Bitcoin's rejecting the 0.618, and XRP kind of is rejecting the 0.618, with the EMA being right there too. So that's a lot of resistance it has to get through. But we'll see. This is choppy. There's still a lot of chaos in the market, and people don't really know what's going on. I don't know what's going on necessarily, other than what's being told on the news and looking at the chart. But like I've said, and I've said a million times, my plan is more long-term, so this is kind of more noise, but just wanted to share it's kind of, right now there's a lot of resistance at where it's at, so we'll see if it break through or if it'll kind of chop. But those are the points that we're looking to see if it can break through, literally where it's being rejected currently with Bitcoin and XRP. So continuing to just dollar cost average, small amounts, and hold for long term. Like I said, it's beautiful here. If it's beautiful where you guys are at, highly recommend getting outside. Maybe get away from all this mess going on in the news and crypto and the market and whatever. And try to go enjoy your Thursday. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.